Project 39 mini albums. I just got some supplies from a new company. Not new because they've been in business now for maybe a month, but pretty new to me. It is Biddy Penny Crafts LLC. So you may know Biddy Penny from her YouTube channel. She makes junk journals, mixed media, all sorts of things. If you are not familiar with her, you need to check her out. But she just launched a new paper line, and I was fortunate enough to get it. I purchased some and well, let me just show you some of the paper. So this one is called Page Turner and it says volume 1. So that makes me think she's going to come up with volume 2. So Page Turner is books and that kind of thing. Now her papers are printed on a 6x8 paper. It's fairly heavy. I mean, it's maybe index card weight, and the colors are so saturated and bright. It's just gorgeous. So I'll show you the papers. Obviously we have a lot of book reading going on. Look at that. So Biddy Penny makes cards. She makes lots of other things too, but she wanted to make sure that there was paper here good for making cards. I'll show you one of her cards because I got one. Love the colors. Love again, the saturated look. This is fun. I would use that as well. So here are some page turners of a younger age. Look at this girl reading with her dog sitting there. And I love the backgrounds. Really nice, really fun. Oh, and the background, the back of that is this, which really looks dimensional and a lot of fun. Here is more. Here's a cat, there's a statue of the moon, a storefront, another storefront, books, reading, and then just a couple of other images. And here we go with that. Oh, such pretty colors. You've outdone yourself. Love this. This would make a great background. So I, of course, make mini albums. So I'm not exactly sure. I don't know. I haven't played with this yet. Oh, so there's 4 of each. 24 sheets, 12 designs. So, so you get this and then you get that. So there's 4 of each. Here's that one. The other side of that is that. Did I show you that? I can't remember. Love this. The clematis growing, the sort of castle in the background, the viney plants, the sun or the moon. It could be whatever you want it to be. And here we are, a library card and a card catalog. And there's the back of that. So that is Page Turner Volume 1. Let me show you the one that really caught my eye. This is called Crafty Queen. So it is Crafty Queen. So let me show you what we get. First of all, I love these bright, bright colors. This is so much fun. There's the back of that. More saturated colors, nice and bright. Looks like some watercolor and gel plate. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know that, but I think this is fun. And then more of the fun colors and patterns. And the back of this page has crowns, which is a lot of fun, especially if you're going to do things with Crafty Queen. Here are some pages you could fussy cut. So if it's Crafty Queen, we have the glue gun, the glue, some buttons, some washi tape ribbon, rulers, patchwork, yarn, thread. And then the back of that is more bright colors. This is cool. So this is a sheet of different sentiments to do with crafting or Crafty Queen. So, for instance, the craft room is calling, I must go. Her crown reflects the beauty of her heart. Her throne is adorned with craft supplies. The crafts room magical ambiance captivates my heart. The crown of self-respect adorns the beauty of a woman. I'd rather be crafting. Wear your courage like a crown. So lots of different sayings, but isn't that just gorgeous? Just gorgeous. I mean, I feel like I would make some journals with this as a cover. So, yeah, 4 pages of that crafty goodness. I think that would be so much fun. All right, I think I showed you that already. Here is our Craft Queens. So you get all ages, all backgrounds. She looks like Queen Elizabeth to me. Looks like Elizabeth Taylor to me. Just gorgeous. So they look like strong women wearing their crown. So I think that is very pretty. And to top that off, you get these gorgeous colors. They look like paint cans or paint can lids. I'm not sure, but I love the colors. That's all I care about is the pretty colors. More of the Crafty Queens with a patchwork quilt. And I think that's it. I mean, I just love it. Just love it. Really, really pretty, Bitty Penny. Really, really pretty. Now I also got a couple of goodies. So this I put in the bookmark. So it's a beautiful metal feather. I just thought that was so pretty. And look at the bookmark. Isn't that gorgeous? With a pretty little tassel. So I'm going to put that in there so I don't lose it. And actually I need to put it with my books. She also sells on her site some ephemera and packets. So if you do junk journals, there's all sorts of things all put together. So some different color paper, some game cards, library cards, a reading list, some envelopes with a neat design on it. Oh, self-sealing, even better. A couple of book pages, which is perfect for me because I live in my RV. I don't carry a lot of stuff. I don't get junk mail because I don't get mail. So I can always use some of these things because I was making a junk journal the other day and I didn't have anything. There's some washi tape in here, some sparkly things. What is that metal in there? A book charm. There's a couple of them in there with some sequins and beads. Oh, some more washi tape. I like that thin stuff. And just a couple of stickers that have to do with writing and books and that kind of thing. Are they stickers? Or they're just ephemera? I don't know. I think they're just ephemera. But anyhow, all sorts of goodies things. I don't do many junk journals. I call myself a junk journal dropout. I just could make 10 mini albums in the time it takes me to make one junk journal. I don't know, something about me. And I'm not a neat and organized person. Anyhow, but this sort of gives me the impetus to do that. So let me show you a gorgeous card. This is from Bitty Penny. So a woman with a pumpkin surrounded by dogs. It's popped up. There is some beautiful designs. Now I'm not going to open the card, but I want to show you her style. And I guess you could probably see how these papers, I'm going to move this stuff out of the way, but how these papers would lend themselves to doing some really cool stuff. Is this just the one? Yeah. And then here's the other one. I'll just put that one there. So anyhow, that is what I picked up recently. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of what I got. Stay tuned because I'm going to make something with this. I'm working on a project. As soon as I finish that project, I'm going to play with this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.